Hi, just a short video to show the condition of the Shark IZ300UK Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with Duo Clean PowerFins. So it does work, but it does have a couple of faults, so I'm selling it basically as spares and repairs. It comes with no charger at all, so I'll just show you the condition. The head has these weird marks on it. Comes with a battery. Now I haven't charged this battery for a year and it's still got power in it, so it looks like it's holding charge. Head moves. To me, it sounds like the motor's a bit whining. I know the filter inside it is slightly loose, so if you push the filter, it sounds better. I'll see if I can show you what I mean. I'll be a second. So it's just a filter. So all the other filters are clean. It does have some pet's hairs in it, but they are clean. Bin's clean. But selling it cheap, the reason is because of this marking. Got no charger, and the sound of the whining. But I'll put it back together. Very hard to do one-handed. So now it sounds okay. It's just the compressor of the filter of the bin. Thanks for watching. Any questions at all, please ask.